Okay, good evening everyone, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Okay, so there is a little problem in the camera. Anyway, we will continue solving the questions. Okay, good evening, good evening. So friends, if you look into the last 10 papers, I have taken total 10, no, I have taken 12 papers total. Okay, I have taken total last 12 papers. So I have taken the papers from 2016 to the 2022. Okay, so friends, out of 12 times the question was asked 10 times from this particular nitrogen metabolism topic, either in the part B or in the part C. Okay, okay friends, actually in the photosynthesis topic, we forgot to answer one particular question, that is from the September 2022. Okay, we forgot one question, right? Okay, so everyone please answer even this question also, which is from the photosynthesis topic. Everyone, don't be hurry, please answer correctly. Friends, they have asked a question which is not correct. Okay, this is the first part B question asked. It is the part B question asked. Everyone, don't be hurry. They're asking which is wrong, which is not correct. It is directly from the slide of PPT only. I have explained it you very correctly. What about others? Yeah. What's option C? You can see, right, Archana? Now I zoomed it. Okay, very good, very good. So friends, we all people know the answer very correctly, right? I did the zoom. So you all people know that chlorophyll A having what group in their side chain? I have clearly explained it to all of you. Chlorophyll A having methyl group in its side chain. Yes or no, friends? Obviously yes. So the statement A is absolutely right. And what about the chlorophyll B? What did I tell to all of you? Chlorophyll B having a aldehyde group. Correct na? In its porphyrin ring like structure. That is also absolutely true statement. There is no doubt about it. Continue everyone. Look into the picture. They are saying that option C, only chlorophyll A but not chlorophyll B has a magnesium coordinated at the center of the porphyrin ring like structure. I have told to all of you friends, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether it is the chlorophyll A, whether it is the chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C or chlorophyll D. What's the most common in all the chlorophyll molecules? The most common is the head. What do we call it, that particular head, friends? Porphyrin head, friends. Then friends, followed by the phytol chain. Correct na, friends? There is a presence of the porphyrin head, there is a presence of the phytol chain. These two are extremely common, right? But they said that only chlorophyll A consists of that, chlorophyll B is not consisting that. So undoubtedly, my friends, that will be a wrong statement, right? Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, the long hydrocarbon tail of chlorophyll anchor them in photosynthetic membrane. Yes or no? We have discussed that head is what? What did I tell to all of you about the head? Head is called as a tetrapyrrole. Head is a tetrapyrrole. Nothing but 4 pyrrole rings come close together. They will surround the one central metal atom, magnesium. Correct na? So head is the tetrapyrrole. What about the tail? I have very clearly told to you. Head is a long hydrocarbon tail. Understand my words correctly. Suppose example, everyone remember, suppose this is the head and this is the tail. Students understand. Tail will help the head. Understand my words correctly. Tail will help the head to embedded into the plasma membrane. Then only with the help of magnesium, the head starts absorbing the light. Wonderful, wonderful. So what will be the wrong answer here? Option C. See here, 2 marks are in our hand. That is the question asked in the September 2022. Now, the same September 2022, after the photosynthesis question, The question which we got is this. Even in the, I have explained you this in the morning 11:30 a.m. class. Everyone has to answer the question. Okay, I am giving you one hint here. I am giving a hint, organic nitrogen. The same line I have explained it to all of you. This is also September 22. Good evening, Sneha. You people are not thinking. I am saying to all of you, think it, correctly think it. You are not understanding my questions. Okay, slowly. I am telling you from last 1 year to the people. Okay, please don't be hurried. Never ever judge the question so fast. Always be calm while answering the question. Friends, patience is the real key to success. Always remember that. The questions are very simple, but the questions are very twist. Okay, I am expecting at least one answer. Okay, anyone tell me the answer? Others, what will be the answer? C, NO3. See, this is the question asked in the September 2022. I am expecting at least one answer, one correct answer. Okay, Anand and Mauli. Okay, can you tell me Shafia, Shivani? Okay. All the students look into this PPT. In the morning class only I have explained it to all of you, right? Every student look into this slide. Everyone. See, look into the question directly came from here. The question is direct. Look into the question. Organic nitrogen compounds are obviously converting into what? Ammonia. That is what I have explained you as the process of ammonification. Yes or no, friends? I don't know why people are given the answer A, don't know people given the answer B, people given the answer as C. What did I tell to all of you? When you break down the dead organic matter, if you break down the protein, if you break down the amino acid, if you break down the nucleic acid, what you get? You get the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Yes or no? Now this nitrogen can be used by the bacteria to produce their proteins and nucleic acid. What about their excess nitrogen? It is fixing in the ammonia. Correct now? That is what we can call ammonification. The same questions here, the same line asked here, people are making it wrong. See, look into this. Organic nitrogen. Which of the following nitrogen containing compound is formed during the process of deamination? Yes or no? Deamination is what? Removal of the amine group. From where? That is the question. From where? From the organic nitrogen. So obviously what will be the answer? Answer will be the ammonia. Answer will be D. Friends, don't get confused. The answer will be D. How it will be NO3? Tell me. This is what disappoints me. Morning class only I have explained you that much time. Morning class only I have explained you that much time, and you people read and you are unable to solve the simple question. So now at least you understand, friends, that 1 mark only very important for us. Once again I am reminding to all of you, friends, it is not at all important how much intelligent you are. It is only important how patiently you are analyzing the question. CSIR is all about analyzing your skills. Don't be hurry. And this is not at all difficult question. Direct question, and 80% of the people given the wrong answer. This is not the way to prepare. This is not at all the way to prepare. I am telling to all of you. Okay. So the answer will be D. NH4 plus. I hope everyone understand that correctly without having any confusion. Of course, here the process of deamination is what? Organic nitrogen. Organic nitrogen means what? Nitrogen can be used for what purpose? For the production of amino acids also. production of the proteins also. Mauli, listen. From the amino acids, what we have done, we removed an amino group. We removed an amino group. Then what is the fate of this organic nitrogen? That is the question. So obviously that excess amino group will be fixed in the soil in the form of ammonia only, right? That is what exactly we call it as the ammonification process, right? Please don't be hurry. See, now my only worry is that morning only I have explained you, and the question is direct question, and 80% of the people couldn't answer the question. It is not because you do not have the knowledge, it is only because of your excitement levels that you have to control. Then only we can crack the competitive exams. Always relax while solving the question. It is not at all important that you have to give the fast answer. It is important you have to give the accurate answer. Okay, so see, this is the September 2022 question, this is the September 2022 question. Okay, now let's question number 152. Slowly analyze. Same thing, this is also directly from the PPT which I have explained in the morning. Sumaya, without fail, see the first two questions whichever you missed. Watch the recorded of the first two questions, okay? Question number 2 is D. Correct, Sushmita. Correct. What about the answer for question number 152? It's a direct question we have studied multiple times. Obviously what? We have discussed very clearly that nitrogen fixation is a highly energy consuming process. I hope every student remembered how many molecules of ATP that we are using, friends. We have studied, right? 16 molecules of ATP we are using. Wonderful. Okay. Now don't be hurry. Take your time. Analyze the question correctly and give me the answer. Question number 153. Question number 153. Take your time. Easily you can answer the question, okay? Easily. I am requesting all of you friends, try to eliminate it. Very good. Correct Ramu, correct. Try to eliminate the options. This also I have explained you 5 to 10 minutes. The same slide I have explained you 10 minutes. You have to choose the correct statements, that's all. It's a very direct question. What about others? Okay, Padmavati, how A, dear? Huh? The option A will be wrong, right? Because integration of plasmid of rhizobium into the root nuclear genome, there is a no role of plasmid at all here. Correct, na? If we analyze there is a no role of plasmid, obviously you can come to a conclusion B, C, D will be right. We have already discussed, right? First, what the root hair is doing? Root hair is releasing what? Root hair is releasing the abundant amount of the chemoattractants. What are chemoattractants? Flavonoids and betaines. Now what the flavonoids and betaines will do? They will activate the NOD-D gene. Then the NOD-D gene is going to activate the common NOD genes, host specified NOD genes. That is what happens. Simple. Option B, option C, option D, both are correct. Hence the correct answer will be C. See, this is the question asked for 4 marker. Slowly analyze. Yes. Question number 161. The question asked for part B. We have discussed the same thing also. Kindly don't make it wrong, friends. Next. Okay. Padmavati, understand. Okay. So friends, we have studied, right? What are the common nod genes? Common nod genes are nod A, nod B, nod C. Correct na? What are the host specified nod genes, friends? The host specified nod genes are P, Q, H, E, F, L. Correct na? Now, they have given nod A is the common nod gene. This statement is right. Nod C is the host specific. Wrong answer. Nod B is the common nod gene. Right answer. Nod P is the host specific. Right answer. Nod Q is the common nod gene. Wrong answer. Nod A is the host specific. Wrong answer. Nod H is the common nod gene. Wrong answer. Nod Q is the host specific. This is right answer. So obviously, what will be the correct answer? Answer will be the D. Very straightforward question. Right. It is a very simple, straightforward question. Okay. Don't be hurry. I want every one of you to give the correct answer. Question number 167. Question number 167. Slowly analyze, friends. Take your time. This is also I have discussed in the morning class. I want every student has to give the answer for this. 167. Okay, little bit. Okay. Actually, if I zoom, I think if you miss the below one. Oh, no problem. I think you won't miss the below one. Yes. Look into this. 167. Everyone has to give the answers. Abdul has given answer as B. What about others? Wonderful. We have already discussed that there are two type of genes are there. One is called as common nod genes. Another one we can call it as the host specific nod genes. But I told to all of you one very important and interesting point is that friends, if the common nod gene and the host specific nod gene wants to be activated, they require a special gene called as nod D gene. Everyone look into this particular PPT slide. See the line exactly. So you look into the picture. Nod D activate the transcription of other nod genes. How it is going to do that? By binding to the conserved sequence called as a nod box in the promoter region. By that, this particular nod D gene is going to activate the other genes, right? So obviously, whatever all people said is absolutely right. B is the correct. Wonderful. Okay. Then question number 219, which is the part B question. So this is conversion of N2 to NH3. Friends, slowly think the question. Don't be hurry. It's actually a good question, but at least you people know two. Then you have to eliminate other. Abdul, what is the answer? Your 219 is D. Okay, Abdul. Okay. What about others? The Rosie, yeah. No. Okay. So friends, listen. If you remember the structure of a nitrogenase enzyme, what we studied, friends, nitrogenase enzyme contain different subunits, correct na? One is called as iron sulfur redox center. Another one we can call it as molybdenum iron redox center, correct na? Friends, so all the students remember my words. Sometimes the molybdenum can be replaced by the vanadium. Sometimes the molybdenum can be replaced by the vanadium. Then obviously what is not, or which metal is not involved, is the cobalt. Right, which is not involved is the cobalt. It is not the vanadium. See friends, remember, if you take an example of a bacteria called as azotobacter, remember my words correctly. If you take a bacteria called as azotobacter, azotobacter is the bacteria which contain the nitrogenase enzyme. This bacteria uses vanadium instead of the molybdenum. Okay, so molybdenum will be involved, iron will be involved, vanadium will be involved. Which is not involved is the cobalt. Don't get confused. Okay. Once again, it is the part C question. I want every one of you has to give me the right answer for this question number 227. Make sure that you read the question correctly. Take your time. They are asking correct statement. They are asking correct statements, friends. For the nitrogenase enzyme, we do not require cobalt. For the nitrate reductase, we require the cobalt. I have shown you in the slide also. Take your time. At least if you know one option also, you can tell me the correct answer, At least if you know one answer. Abdul said C, Anjali said D. I don't know whether you people are remembering my words or not. In the morning class, I have told you multiple times. Okay, look into the question. You all people know this point very well. Yes or no? I have explained it to all of you 3 to 4 times. Nitrate reduction, that is NO3 production, NO3 to NO2 occurred in the, or NO2 production takes place in the cytoplasm, right statement. Whereas nitrite reduction takes place in the chloroplast matrix. So this is true statement. If the D is correct, you can eliminate option A, you can eliminate option B. Now, the metal associated with the nitrate reductase enzyme. All the students look into the picture very clearly. I have explained it to all of you. Look into this. So, this is the enzyme nitrate reductase. You are all able to see, right? Nitrate reductase is connected with what? Molybdenum. Is it or not? But they said it is magnesium. So wrong statement. Easy question, right? Then you can come to a conclusion A and D here itself. Conversion of oxidized nitrogen into reduced nitrogen need energy in the form of NADP+. No, it's absolutely wrong. Nitrogen is normally taken by the plant in the fully oxidized form but needs to be reduced, because reduced means it should be in a most simple form. So option A is also right, option D is also right. Hence the correct answer will be D. Wonderful. 4 marks are in our hand. Always analyze slowly. Okay. This is the last question. See, same question repeatedly asked. What's the answer for 245? So obviously NOD genes are NOD factors. Where they are present in the bacteria. Example of the common NOD genes are NOD A, NOD B, NOD C. Okay. So friends, what is the point I want you to remember? Whatever, see, I have taken the papers from 2016 to 22. Okay. What I observed is not even a single question also asked in an indirect manner. What you can observe, everywhere the question asked in the form of a statements. So always the statement related questions makes us confused, because you don't read the topic multiple times. That's why read the topic multiple times, and by that you can remember it easily. Okay. Okay, anyway, from the nitrogen metabolism, the number of questions asked is very less. Okay, and tomorrow morning 5:45 a.m. And 11:30 a.m. we will finish the biggest topic, the secondary metabolites. Secondary metabolites, if you look into the 12 question papers, obviously 10 to 11 questions were asked. Okay, so we are going to solve all the questions in the 7 p.m. class. Okay, so let's meet at 5:45 a.m. sharp tomorrow. Okay, I'm requesting all of you friends, without fail, please revise this nitrogen metabolism once again. Use the PPT and use the Pathfinder. No need to read extra also. You don't need to go for the textbook level. Okay, read thoroughly. Understand every single point. Okay. Okay friends, those are all the questions that we discussed now. I'll meet you at tomorrow 5:45 a.m. sharp. We will continue the secondary metabolites. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Revise it well. Revise it well.